Into a bad TXV. We have 15 degrees or 15 subcooling or 5. Superheat is high. This indicates it's low on refrigerant, but look at the pressures. It's kind of high. It's 85 in the house. It's not too bad. I did wash the condenser. It was filthy. I added a little bit just to see if this thing would climb, but it's not. I did the 10 split on that. That was like almost 1 degree, so we know the filter dryer is not clogged. But if the customer goes with changing the TXV, I will put a new one. But look at that. So the other day, I condemned the TXV. Just wanted to make sure the compressor valves weren't bad, because make sure. Anyways, I did a pump down and pump down, so we know it's not the compressor. Because the customer did say that once in a while it would make like a rattling noise when it would turn on. This is an Airbnb property. It's a nice property. Freshly painted looks. Here's the access. Put gloves. Always wear gloves when you open his access. Homeowners don't want to see fingerprints, oily fingerprints or oil stains. Crack in that corner. Make sure it's documented. Scratch mark there already. But yeah, got some disposable gloves. If you don't got them, buy some. Work clean. Stay clean. Here we go. ADP coil, ductwork coil. Take these screws off. TXV should be in there. There we go. Take these out. Alrighty guys, got my TXV chain, certified TXV expert now. It's like getting a trophy. It's plain. Anyways, yeah, TXV is changing the attic. Right now I'm outside the condenser. Have it under pressurized test, just to make sure it doesn't leak. It's good to go. So right now, about 5 minutes, I'll see if it doesn't drop. Then I'll go get the vacuum, put this shit in the vacuum, close up the coil in the attic, and sauce should be good. Just turned it on. So it's baby. Damn. Set this down. Time to open the attic, close it up. There you go. It's like 89 degrees inside the home. But we are getting 22 degrees flat. I just watched the condenser. Okay. Good to go. Split repairs. Heating and cooling. Don't forget, like, follow, subscribe.